It's definitely a bit more challenging. We have had a shortlist of of a number of coaches actually that we knew we were going to bring in if it was going to be a shorter league versus like more long-term prospects if it was going to be a longer league. So it definitely has been challenging not to be able to make a decision on the matter, but we are hoping that in the next couple of weeks we will be able to close on it. As far as the marquee player goes and international player signings goes, I think everyone is in the same boat. How do you sign a contract when you don't know how long to sign the contract for? We can go ahead and sign long-term contracts, but I think even the players are waiting to see how this all unfolds so that they also give their complete sort of go-ahead once they have this clarity from their side as well. We are talking to several people, several players in various parts of the world already. Right now, I think it's all. Right now, it is all speculation. The tender by ISL has been opened up, and if there are going to be new teams signing in, I think it is reasonable to speculate that there will be a draft for Indian players so that everyone is on a level playing field. There will probably be some players that each team is going to be able to retain. But we don't have details and we don't have any finalizations on these things, so it's too early to speculate. Too early to give any definitive answers on that. But I think we've done everything that we could have done so far. We have set up a youth program which will allow us to consistently have players, not just this year, but in the long run as well, which are primarily of Goan origin. We know we are going to have a higher dependence on Indian players, which is why we felt the need to sign a strong Indian coach. And Derek is also going to be heading our youth development setup. So it's more about laying a foundation for a much longer run. And if you see what is happening is, I think the ISL is maturing now from a tournament to a league. And the growing pains that we have all, as owners, that we have all been feeling are now sort of leading to slightly more mature, more long-term decision making. So the idea of having a B team, having Indian players, having Goan players as part of that B team, making sure that at least a couple of players from our developmental squad make it to our first team. These are the things that we know we can do, so we have been doing them. Whatever we know we can't do, we are preparing for it, but we can't take a decision on it. So that's where we are.